Okay, so this is what it looks like in the morning after a blizzard. Look at that sky. Oh, there's a raven. You see it? Ooh. Oh, he's gone. Anyway, it's freezing out here. This is my walk tour. See, there's the tie-in. And my door is over there. Oh, I gotta put my glove on. Oops, there goes my bag. Hang on, it is freezing. Oh, holy crap bubble. And if my camera lands on a bear, I'm gonna scream. There's the outhouse. I don't think anyone's using it right now. Early morning humor. Oh, it's slippery. Oh, I see. Lower. Pretty. There's the basketball court. I don't think anybody's using those either. Boy, the wind is pretty strong. Oh man, my eyes are watering. Oh, holy jeez. There's proof it's me. Hi. It's me, Grandma. Lori's mom. Oh, you hear that roar? That's a snowmobile. Look at all this land. Oh, there's a bunch of snow here. I don't think I can walk through that. Watch where I'm going. And walking in the snow. Oh my God, it's freezing. My eyebrows are frozen. There's the courthouse. And we're coming up on the school over here.